AFJ gang, welcome back to Fergie's Kitchen. If you happen to just be browsing and you run into my channel, please like and subscribe, and to all my FJ gang, welcome back. Today, we're gonna go right into some zucchini fritters. Here's my ingredients for today. Self-rising flour. This is sweet peppers, red onion, cheese, cornmeal, buttermilk, black pepper, some corn. So it's gonna be a zucchini corn fritters, all right? My spiked vegetable seasoning. I'm gonna use some garlic salt. You know I like using my garlic salt. And an egg, and some garlic. Vegetable oil for frying. And here is the zucchini. All right, this is a zucchini. So we're gonna jump right into it. And some butter, guys. First, I wanna squeeze the zucchini out. So you grate your zucchini, put in a towel. I'm using a nut bag. And you squeeze out all the water, nice and dry, all right? So, okay guys, in this frying pot, I just put 1 tablespoon of butter, unsalted butter. And I'm going to add half of a small red onion and 2 pegs of garlic, 2 cloves, all right? So I'm gonna saute this for about 4 minutes. Okay guys, here's your corn. And I'm gonna try to squeeze out excess water also out of the corn. So guys, now I'm gonna add the corn. And because this is not fresh corn, you don't need to cook the corn. So I'm just eating it up and then set it aside to cool down. Maybe 4 minutes, all right? Okay guys, here in this bowl, this empty bowl, I'm gonna combine all my dry ingredients. This is a half a cup of self-rising flour and a half a cup of cornmeal. To this, that's about that, of garlic salt, some black pepper. I would say half a teaspoon of both, teaspoon of my spice. And this I want to combine together. Set aside over here. I'm gonna beat my egg. 1 egg. Go in with a half a cup of buttermilk. I'm gonna go in with my zucchini. So this is 8 ounces. You should use like, see if you can get an 11-ounce pack. And a half of my bell pepper, my sweet pepper, guys. And with this, I'm gonna go in with half a cup of mixed cheese. You can use your cheese of choice. This cheese is an Italian mix. If you can see, it has like parm and mozzarella. I hope you can see. I'm gonna go in with my sauteed corn, onion, and garlic. Guys, make sure you're getting this recipe because this is yummy, delicious. Gonna go in now with my dry ingredients. So guys, your same frying pan, your skillet that you use to saute your vegetables, just kind of dry it out, and you can use it for frying your fritters. So I'm using a 1/4 cup to use it for the measurement. So with some oil in the pot, Eat your oil over medium heat. So we're looking for like the same sizes. And just use the back to press it out. And they're brown when you turn it over, and they're browning together, holding together, then you know it's ready. So FK gang, we're at the end of another segment, and I'm here to present my zucchini corn fritters. Oh, did I left out delicious and yummy? I think I did. So good, guys. So good. And really healthy. Do you want one or two? I can give you 3. Anyway, as you know, I feed the mind, the body, the heart, and the soul. And it's time to feed the soul with today's scripture coming from 1 Peter 4 verse 7. But the end of all things are at hand. Be ye therefore sober and watch unto pray. Yes, guys. And from Fergie's Kitchen to you guys today, guys, you can love someone else, but first, guys, you have to love yourself more, all right? Please remember that Fergie loves you. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.